Welcome to our exploration of the vegan diet, sustainable solution or environmental red herring. In this video, we'll dive deep into the complexities surrounding veganism and its true environmental impact. From examining the lower carbon footprints of plant-based diets to shedding light on the nuances of agricultural practices, we aim to unravel the myths and realities of vegan diets. Join us as we discuss critical topics, including the ecological effects of soy production, the issue of ultra-processed vegan foods, and the importance of cultural contexts. Stay tuned for a thought-provoking journey that challenges common assumptions about the vegan lifestyle. 1. Vegan diets typically have a lower carbon footprint. A 2018 study published in Science revealed that adopting a vegan diet can slash an individual's food-related emissions by up to 73%. This extensive research analyzed data from 38,000 farms across 119 countries. It consistently found that plant-based diets are less carbon-intensive compared to diets rich in meat. The reduction in greenhouse gas emissions is primarily due to the decreased reliance on livestock farming, which is a major contributor to methane and nitrous oxide emissions. By choosing plant-based diets, individuals can significantly contribute to mitigating climate change. The findings underscore the potential of veganism as a tool for environmental preservation. 2. Animal agriculture uses the majority of global farmland. The UN Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, reports that a staggering 83% of the world's farmland is dedicated to livestock and their feed. Despite this vast allocation, animal agriculture supplies just 18% of the calories consumed worldwide. The disparity highlights inefficiencies in current land use. Transitioning to a vegan diet could free up land, allowing for reforestation and carbon sequestration. It also opens opportunities for biodiversity restoration, as less land would be needed for monocultures. Such a shift could be pivotal in addressing global land degradation. 3. Not all plant-based foods are environmentally friendly. While vegan diets are generally seen as sustainable, not all plant-based foods have a low environmental impact. Staples like avocados, almonds, and quinoa, for instance, have significant water footprints. The Water Footprint Network estimates that producing a single almond requires about 1.1 gallons of water, mostly sourced from drought-stricken California. Additionally, the cultivation of these crops can be linked to deforestation and monoculture farming. This highlights the importance of considering the environmental costs of individual food items, even within plant-based diets. 4. Soy production can be environmentally destructive, but mostly for livestock. Soy is often criticized for contributing to deforestation, especially in South America. However, the World Wildlife Fund, WWF, highlights that 80% of global soy production is destined for livestock feed, not human consumption. Less than 7% of soy is consumed directly by humans, meaning that meat consumption is the primary driver of soy-related deforestation. This underscores the importance of considering the broader agricultural system when evaluating the environmental impact of vegan diets. Reducing meat consumption can significantly mitigate the environmental harm associated with soy production. 5. A vegan diet doesn't automatically mean local or seasonal. Plant-based products often travel long distances before reaching consumers, raising concerns about food miles. A 2020 study in Nature Food found that transportation accounts for up to 6% of total food system emissions. This means that the benefits of veganism can be undermined if the diet heavily relies on imported foods. Emphasizing local and seasonal eating can help reduce the carbon footprint associated with food transportation. Regardless of dietary preferences, sourcing food locally can play a crucial role in minimizing environmental impact. 6. Ultra-processed vegan foods have hidden impacts. The rise of vegan meats and dairy substitutes has introduced new sustainability challenges. Many of these products are highly processed and energy-intensive to produce. A 2023 report by the European Environmental Bureau, EEB, warned that the packaging and processing of these foods can offset the sustainability benefits of whole food vegan diets. The energy and resources required for production and packaging highlight the need for consumers to make informed choices. Opting for whole, minimally processed foods can help maintain the environmental benefits of a vegan lifestyle. 7. Nutritional trade-offs require careful planning. While vegan diets can be healthful, they may lack essential nutrients such as B12, iron, omega-3s, and calcium if not properly planned. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics confirms that well-planned vegan diets are nutritionally adequate but require informed choices. This is especially crucial in low-resource settings where access to supplements might be limited. Careful meal planning and awareness of nutrient sources are key to maintaining health on a vegan diet. The potential for nutritional deficiencies highlights the importance of education and planning. 8. Cultural and regional contexts matter. Veganism may not be practical or accessible in all regions. In many indigenous or pastoralist communities, animal products are integral to culture, nutrition, and livelihoods. The FAO emphasizes that sustainable diets must be regionally adapted and culturally sensitive. Imposing veganism universally could overlook the diverse dietary needs and cultural practices of various communities. Understanding and respecting these contexts is essential for promoting truly sustainable dietary practices. 9. Industrial farming of plants also harms the planet. Large-scale monoculture farming, prevalent in both plant and animal-based food systems, can lead to environmental degradation. The UN Convention to Combat Desertification warns that over 40% of agricultural land is degraded. Monocultures of crops like wheat, corn, and rice contribute to soil erosion, pesticide runoff, and biodiversity loss. This highlights the need for sustainable agricultural practices across all types of diets. Diversifying crops and employing regenerative farming techniques can help mitigate these impacts. 10. Reducing meat may be more scalable than going fully vegan. A 2022 report by the Eat Lancet Commission suggests that a global reduction in red meat consumption by 50% could yield significant environmental and health benefits. Flexitarian or reducitarian diets, which involve reducing but not eliminating meat consumption, might be more practical and inclusive. These diets could avoid the backlash often associated with vegan advocacy, making them more widely acceptable. Encouraging moderate meat reduction could be a more scalable and effective approach to promoting sustainable eating habits.